As our world becomes increasingly electrified, so does the complexity of our electrical networks. More electrical loads, more distributed generation, more complex power distribution, and the need for more coordination, integration, and automation. Your ability to monitor, control, and manage these systems doesn't just keep the lights on, it powers your future. But when power quality issues arise, capacity limits are hit, or energy targets are missed, the impact affects your operation right down to the bottom line. AZZO EnergyX brings technology together in one powerful platform, proven to enable total energy management. With EnergyX, you get the power of increased efficiency, resilience, sustainability, and access to diverse energy market revenues. EnergyX is an IoT platform that helps you unlock your energy ecosystem, using secure open protocols for all your devices and systems. Combined with lifecycle services from design and commissioning to operations and maintenance, we are here to help you unlock your energy ecosystem. Want to know more about EnergyX? Contact us today.